Let me show you how to fix a sticky or unresponsive Logitech G305 or G304 wireless mouse. For example, on this mouse I had a problem where as I was clicking button, basically sometimes it actually didn't click and I had to basically like squeeze it harder to get the button to engage, or again simply click multiple times just to get the mouse to click. And so there's very simple solution for this mouse, and we simply need a bit of maintenance on it. So what you can do is, without even taking it apart, as you see, you can actually lift up these pedals here of the mouse. So you see actually quite far. And then if you look inside, you can actually see the switch there. So you see that tiny white thing basically there. That is the top of the switch. So if I maybe take a pencil here, you can maybe show this part here, this tiny white thing. And essentially on the other side, you see you have this hammer that essentially press that white thing, and that actually makes the click go off essentially. So what you can do is, first you can simply take like a air blower, or again any other way how to blow inside, maybe compressed air, or maybe simply a brush. And what you can do is you can simply blow on that thing and blow out any junk that may be stuck inside there, both on that hammer and also on that switch. So again, literally just blow inside and see if that fixes your issue. If not, what we also can do is we can also drop a bit of oil inside the mouse. So this is actually what fixed problem for me. So personally I'm using something like WD-40. So again, if you have WD-40 spray oil like penetrant, so again spray a bit somewhere where you can take a small dab of it. So I'm going to use this fastener here, simply dab inside here just to get tiny bit of oil. So again, you do not want to obviously spray directly, otherwise you can ruin your mouse. And I will simply deposit on that white switch there. So you see on that white thing, simply rub it. So your goal is to basically saturate it a bit. So then click several times. Again, take a bit of more oil. So again, the white part actually is only the top of the switch, but there is between that white part there is like a gap where the oil can actually flow a bit further down, and then it will oil up basically the whole switch mechanism there. So again, you have to kind of maybe repeat this 2 or 3 times. So simply drop basically a bit of oil on that white thing, work it in properly. Click, 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 click. So again, repeat this for maybe half a minute every time. Again, take a bit more of oil and simply drop on that switch on. So I'm not sure how well you can see in the video, but yeah, I'm just oiling up the switch several times and then clicking essentially. And that was actually what solved these issues for me. Okay, so if you still can't get it to work, then I guess the only thing you can do is you can simply change the switches on the mouse. For example, if you go on AliExpress, you can purchase a new switch for this mouse for maybe like $3 or $4, but that obviously involves taking the mouse apart. So you have to remove this here to get access to the screws, and also you need soldering iron as well to actually unsolder the old switch and solder in new switch. So again, quite complicated, but yeah, first simply try air blower or simply oiling it up. I see for most people that solves their issue. Okay, good luck.